Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because we're doing another battle of the boxes. We're gonna be battling my Boxycharm PR box versus my Ipsy PR box. And I'm gonna tell you guys which one was the better subscription box this month. So you guys wanna see what I got inside both of these, were they worth it, and who won this month's battle of the box? Well then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't remember the last time I'd done this series. It could have been last month for all I know, but obviously I don't remember it. That just tells me how overwhelming these boxes are. They really stand out that I remember what was in them. But these series are always so much fun just because it's fun seeing who has a better subscription box this month. Even though they're both from the same company, it's just fun to compare them. So we're gonna dive straight on into our Boxycharm first. I believe this does retail now for $27.99, not including any shipping and handling, which will like leave you over $30. You're supposed to get 5 full-size items in here with like a retail value of over $100. The base box used to be really good, but then for some reason it just went pretty downhill. I don't know what happened. I really do miss the old Boxycharm, and so many of you guys tell me the same thing, that you guys miss the old Boxycharm, and I just wish they would kind of go back to their glory days. One day. Wishful thinking, guys, wishful thinking. So let me go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, so this month is called Treat Your Heart Out. It says that we have something big in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. Ooh, they have something big in the works. Is it finally bringing back some good products to the box? That would be amazing. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is actually from Beauty Bakery. And this is called The Proof is in the Pudding. This is an eyeshadow palette. And this... Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what this retails for. I don't have an insert. Boxy. Okay, so online, this is retailing on Poshmark for $28, but on Beauty Bakery's website, it's retailing for $38. So here is the Beauty Bakery. This is a Proof that's in the Pudding palette. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a pretty cute palette. But let's see, on the inside, we have, okay, this is pretty cute. Looks to be a very neutral eyeshadow palette right here. So you're gonna have 9 shades right here for the price of $38. And I think, oh, that does not smell like pudding. That's a little stinky, almost like expired pudding. But yeah, here we have the Proof is in the Pudding. It's a cute neutral eyeshadow palette. I've not really tried Beauty Bakery. I obviously cannot talk. I've not really tried any too many products from Beauty Bakery. I have seen them at Target, but I will say this is a pretty cute palette, and it retails for $38, and yeah, she's cute. And next we have something from the Better Skin Co. This is an Eye Brighten Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. So it says that this is good for all people. Use morning and evening. Apply to clean skin and place 1 drop on your finger and apply gently under the eye area. Ooh, I wonder if it has like a nice smell. Oh, that's sealed. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'm gonna have to look at this up online because I'm not used to not having an insert. Okay, so this looks to be retailing for a variety of prices. On eBay it's $9, on VeroShop it's $38, on Flip it's $32, on Walmart it's $26, on Amazon it's $31, on Poshmark it's $15. So it seems to be a variety of prices. So I don't know what the correct price for this is, but on the physical website it says it retails for $38. Although this is not, that looks like two, oh come on, ad, 2 different packagings right there. 2 different packagings. Okay, so it says that this is good for all people, an eye wake up booster for immediate results, long-term benefits, tackle dark circles and puffiness with 1 simple drop. Okay, then it says it assists in reducing appearance of dark circles, assists in reducing appearance of puffiness, assists in hydration, assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines, and it's TSA approved for travel. Sweet. Okay, that's awesome. I will say I probably won't really keep this just because I have so many eye products, but that's cool. Okay, next we have the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. This is from La Palette Beauty, And this is one-step cleanse helps to make your skin shine and glow by delivering vitality and energy to the tinted skin with flaccidless umbilica extract and pure vitamin C. So it looks to be a nice little cleanser. It does say that it does retail for $28.80. Okay, cool. And then next we got something from Give Them La La Beauty. This looks to be a hydro matte. I think it's like a lipstick product. This says it's gonna be the shade in Booty Call, and this is how the product looks. I'm not gonna lie, like maybe it's just the packaging, but it looks like it's a little dirty. Like the white like has a lot of black scuff marks on it. I don't know if that's just like the way that it's designed, but it looks like it's a little dirty. So on Walmart's website, this retails for $17.99. But it is going to be a liquid lip. I'm probably not going to end up keeping this, so that's why I'm not going to swatch it for you guys. Whatever I don't end up keeping, I always like to give back to you guys, and I don't want to swatch it and have it be wasteful. So we do have a liquid lip product, and then the last product that we have in here, which I'm so excited about, is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. It's one of my favorites, along with the Benefit Roller Lash, along with the Thrive Cosmetics and the Oprah Cosmetics. I have 4 favorite mascaras. This is absolutely one of them. There's something about They're Real mascara. There's a They're Real, and there's a They're Real magnet. This one is so freaking good, and I think it's so cool to see this in this box because I think it's a phenomenal mascara, and I feel like this really just makes the box really good because of this right here. So inside this box we do have 3 makeup products, and then in this box, we do have 3 makeup products, and then we do have 2 skincare products. So overall, you do get a mix of 3-to-2 skincare ratio. Overall, you do get a mix of 3-to-2 ratio of the makeup and the skincare. And I would definitely say it's not a horrible box in the slightest. I like how you get a mascara, a lip, and an eyeshadow. Then you get an eye serum and a facial wash. I think it's a kind of pretty good balance. Not a bad box. Definitely not a bad box. So with that said, guys, that's what we got this month. And Boxycharm, sorry I couldn't add up all the prices, it just kind of varies online, but it does say right here that something big is coming to Boxy, so hopefully it's better items in the box. Okay, so moving on to Ipsy. Now inside this box we should have the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I didn't get the Ipsy X this time in PR, and typically I have the last couple of times, but they didn't send it to me this time, at least not that I know of. They didn't send it, and I'm a little sad because this was the Bailey Syrian collaboration with them, and I kind of wish I got it because I saw that she put like Scott Barnes in there, Drunk Elephant in there, Pat McGrath, but I saw she put some really good items into the Glam Bag X, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. And I love Bailey Syrian. She does amazing videos here on YouTube. So if you guys want to get that box, I definitely think it would probably be well worth it. Glam Bag X's are absolutely worth it in my opinion. Those are phenomenal boxes. The only reason why I just don't have it this time is because I did cancel my Ipsy subscription because of the fact that I didn't want to pay $13 every single month just to get a Glam Bag X every 3 months, when I wish I could just sign up for that, but they sadly don't allow that, and I wish I would, because I would just sign up for that. Alrighty, so like I said, this month we have a mix of the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag X. Now the way they do these, they kind of just like throw everything in here, so I can never really tell you what's the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag X, but we're going to try to guess. So this is going to be the $13 bag right here. I think this is actually super cute. I love how nice it feels, and it says on the back, self-love is the best love. Absolutely. So inside we have the Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. I don't have this. I do not have this. I know I will get it at some point in PR from Benefit. Usually they give like their big PR to everyone who's on the PR list, and anyone who's on Benefit Club Pink will get it like a month or 2 later. So I'm assuming mine will come in soon, but I do not have this product. I'm really excited to kind of try it out. It looks super cute, nice little mini size. I think it is really adorable, and I'm so excited to try it. Okay, cool. Next, we also have something from Allie. So this is an intense liquid eyeliner in the shade Americano. And I like how they kind of have like a shade range right here. I've never heard of this brand before. This looks to be a full-size product. I wonder if it's actually like an eyeliner or liquid eyeliner. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, no, it's sealed. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be like a liquid eyeliner. I don't do liquid eyeliners just because they don't really look the best on me. But I do love the fact that, oh, it is a liquid eyeliner. Okay. I do love the fact that it's a really pretty special brown shade from a brand that I haven't heard of, but not bad. And next we have something from Pear Nova Lunar Lip Balm. Wait, what? That's not Lunar Lip Balm. This isn't Lunar Beauty, is it? No, I have everything from Lunar Beauty. I'm so confused. Oh no, it's from a brand called Pear Nova, and this is called the Lunar Lip Balm. But that's actually kind of confusing because this literally looks like the Lunar Beauty logo. Like, that was really confusing. That kind of like the way they do that as well, because like Lunar Beauty does that. That is a little confusing there for a second, but we do have a lip balm. It's going to look like so right here. It's a cute color. And, oh wow, that is really, really, really pretty. You guys, wow, look at my freaking dog hair on my sweater. I'm sorry. That is a really, really pretty color. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but that's really cool. Tis confusion there for a second. I got so confused. I thought that was Lunar Beauty there for a second. Oh, okay. All right, and then next we have Grown Alchemist. This is the balancing toner. It has rose, ginseng, and chamomile in it. And it is just to put on your face and neck. Nice little toner just to put on. Nice little balancing toner. Ooh, that smells like a spa. That smells really, really lovely. But I want you to apply it with your hands. Very interesting. This is called Grown Alchemist. Nice, decent size for this, by the way. It's a really nice, decent size. And last but not least, we have in here, we have, what are you? Who are you? Whole lot of mascara. Okay, so this is mascara, but, okay, so this is how the mascara looks. Something I definitely want to try, but I really don't know who this brand is from. I'm so sorry. I don't recognize, like, the front packaging of it. If you guys know who this brand is, let me know in the comments below because I've never seen it before. But it's just called Whole Lotta Mascara. And I just don't know who it's from. I'm really sorry. But that is everything we got in our little $13 bag. We have mascara. We have an eyeliner. We have a brow wax. We have a lip balm. And then we also have the Grown Alchemist right here. I really do enjoy Ipsy's glam bag. I really do enjoy Ipsy glam bags because they do put nice little sample sizes in here. Usually from brands that most people have heard of from. And it's really nice because it kind of reminds me of the Sephora Play box. You guys remember that box? The $10 box from like Sephora with all like the, you know, best of the best brands, like sample sizes. Ah, such a good box, but they sadly discontinued it. But now we're going to move on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the first thing I see is something from Saturday Skin. This is called Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and it says that this is it says dive into hydration. Alaska Glacier Water envelops skin with rich moisturizing. Dive into hydration. Alaska Glacier Water envelops skin with refreshing moisturizer. Hydrated Iceland moss extract helps to smooth dry skin while revealing radiance. Oh, I can't even use it. I can't even use it because it's not meant for my skin. It's meant for dry skin right here. So this is how the product's going to look. It's just really unfortunate that I can't use it myself. It looks like a really, really nice packaging. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys because unfortunately I won't be able to use it, but it is pretty cool to have that in here. Next, we have something from Pharmacy. This is from next is something from First Aid Beauty. This is called Fab Pharma. This is a calamine pore purging mask. Isn't calamine the calamine lotion that you use for when you have like ivy poisoning? Like poison ivy poisoning. Wow. Poison ivy. That, oh my God. Okay, so this is a purifying and smooth, safe for sensitive skin. So it says that this helps to combat visible pores, excessive oils, and impurities. 96% reported this product tightened their pores and detoxified their skin. So it says, like a vacuum for your skin, this detoxifying mask purges pores of dirt, oil, and impurities. Calamine helps to unclog pores and calm irritation, while its powder particles slow away skin imperfection. This helps to control oil. The oil The tea tree oil helps to purify skin and control oil. After use, pores look visibly tighter and skin feels baby soft and detoxified. So that is this product right here. I'm definitely gonna have to try this out because I do suffer from very large pores and oils. So I'm actually really excited about this one. It's so weird that it's calamine because I normally see this whenever you have poison ivy. They put calamine on it. That is just, wow, very intriguing. I didn't think I could put poison ivy skincare product on my face, huh? Wow. Next we have a brush. This brush is from Lovecraft Beauty. So we have a nice little brush right here. Then we have something from MOTD. This is a blush duo. Okay. I like to start choking on that packaging. So this is from MOTD and it's a blush duo. You know what this looks like? Right? Am I right? Okay, sorry. This is called Pink Lace. This is a blush duo right here. I'm assuming on the outside is the highlighter, on the inside is a blush. I don't really do well with these. I'm very, very oily. If you guys can't already tell, I'm getting a little shiny right now because I've been wearing this makeup now for like 6 hours. So I just would not do well with something like this. It's a very unique concept in terms of how they designed it. It's cute, but definitely not a color for me. And the highlighter aspect would just throw me off, but it's cute. It's cute. And then last but not least, which is actually kind of funny that this is in here, we have another product from Beauty Bakery. This is the Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. So let's see how this palette looks. She's a cute palette. Definitely has a little bit more colors inside of it. And it says this is going to have 12 foil matte and duochrome powder ice cream shades right here. Same smell though. Still has the same smell. Cute palette. So overall, that is everything we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and our Ipsy Glam Bag. Not to mention, they also threw in the little Santa sack right here for my little ho 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 bitches. You guys love when I say that. And I actually do really enjoy these because whenever I do send out products to you guys, I put all like the little sample stuff in here, close it up, and it just makes it very, very easy for travel for you guys. So looking between the two boxes, I definitely would think it's safe to say that this month's winner, none other than Ipsy. I think Ipsy did such a phenomenal job with this month's box compared to Boxycharm. I definitely recognize more name brands in this. I think what really kind of sold it for me had to be kind of a mix of the two, of the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I recognize more products in here from well-known brands versus what was inside Boxycharm, and I just feel like you kind of got more variety in this box versus Boxycharm. So I think this month's winner is Ipsy. It really is sad that I didn't get the Ipsy Glam Bag. It really is sad that I didn't get the Ipsy X. It would been so cool to get the Bailey Syrian box, but you know what? It's what it is. I'm just very grateful to get these in PR, so it's completely okay. But I definitely think Ipsy did a better job than Boxycharm this month. Both are not overwhelming. I don't look at these and go, wow, these are phenomenal, but I also don't hate them either, if that makes any sense. I can definitely see some products in here being very useful for me and also useful to get back to you guys as well. So I would say these boxes were okay this month. They were okay. I don't love them, but I don't hate them either. So to Boxycharm and Ipsy, thank you guys so much for sending this my way. I really do appreciate it. I'll have the links down below if you guys want to sign up for these boxes yourself. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about these boxes down below. Do you guys still even get them? Like, let me know. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. I'm like but I don't remember what there's what maybe these boxers are so underwhelming. The